In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your HP OfficeJet Pro 8139E printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and open the front panel. Lift this section. In this section, you have to remove the old cartridges. Press this lock and take the ink cartridge out. It's very easy to remove and install the new ink cartridges. Take the new ink cartridges and remove the orange seal. So you will see there is a seal on this side, so you have to twist it and remove it. Now place the ink cartridge here. The front will go in and then push the back side. Same way, just remove the seal from all the ink cartridges and place them according to your color. And that is the black one in the last. Press this handle down and automatically it will close, and then close the front panel. Wait for the ink cartridges to be recognized, so it may take few seconds or a minute. So we successfully installed the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.